Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Motorola Moto G10. Okay, so what we will need next to the phone is a SIM ejection tool, and you will find it in the box below that one here, and here we will have the SIM ejection tool. Okay, for removing it, so just open it like this and remove it like that. Okay, otherwise you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, first of all, we need to remove the case in case you still have it on the phone. Okay, and if you have now the phone like that, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And above the SIM tray, you will find a hole in there. And now we will need the SIM ejection tool on the paperclip, and with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on that SIM tray you are able to insert 2 SIM cards if you want at the same time, or you can insert 1 SIM card next to a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start with the first SIM card. You put it like this. So missing corner on missing corner here. And the contacts are below. And in case, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. It goes here on the last position, also with missing corner on missing corner. It's really at the back here now. And the contacts are here below as well. Okay. And if you want to use a microSD card, you can do that, but then you have to remove, in case you have 2 SIM cards here, the second one, because we need that space here for the microSD card. So let's put the microSD card like that. So this is how it looks like if you want to use a SIM card with a microSD card. And the contacts are below. Okay, and after, you just put your construction in the phone like this, shake a bit, and be sure that's well closed. Okay, I hope it could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.